Okay, my mom cooked a chicken adobo, and then my mom's having noodles, and then a cake.
Midnight snack.
But it's not even midnight yet. It's 10:30. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that how expensive is your clothes, how you carry your clothes. Some people,
Kasi, ang binabayaran mo lang yung labor.
yeah, you don't need.
Pero kahit mura, maganda ang tela, okay lang.
Yeah.
Di ba matiga?
Hmm?
Kumain pag matiga.
It's hard. Don't eat it then, just eat your cake.
Sana may manok lang hinalo ko.
Because sometimes when I'm lazy or because I'm tired from work, you know what I mean? I'm gonna try to make a carrot cake because you love carrot cake. I love carrot cake. Don't finish it if you don't like it, otherwise you're gonna be sick. Oh, anyway, thank you for cooking my adobo, but something missing on the adobo, but anyway, it's alright. I enjoyed it. It's not the same thing as my other friend cook, but it's nice. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, at peace, and good night.